Hello everyone, my name is CH and today we're talking all about security because we all want our money to be safe when trading on a crypto exchange, but how can we check to see if an exchange is actually safe for its customers to use? Well, one way is by checking its proof of reserves. It's a good way of showing that an exchange is transparent. It is a way of verifying that an exchange has sufficient reserves to back up customer balances. To ensure that exchanges are financially solvent, it needs to have a reserve ratio of at least 100%. A 100% reserve ratio would mean that the assets on an exchange are held at a 1-to-1 ratio to their users' assets. This means that if you have 1 Bitcoin in your account, the exchange would be able to cover that 1 Bitcoin or more. How do I check Bitget's proof of reserves? Well, you've come to the right place. Bitget publishes its reserve monthly to ensure transparency and security for its users. You can click on this link on the right here or visit the link in the description box down below. You can also check out our portfolio listed on the crypto analytics platform Nansen with the link down below as well. Don't worry, it only takes a minute to check it out. Additionally, here's some simple steps to manually verify your assets to Bitget's corresponding reserves. Before we begin, you should have 2 websites open. One is Bitget's homepage. The other is the Merkle Tree explanation article, which you can also find on Bitget's website. Once you log in, all you gotta do is go to Assets, go down to Audit. And from here, you'll see more details about your own account. Here you'll see Bitget's date of audit, total reserve ratio, and Merkle Tree. Now, if you really want to check your assets to see if it's included in the Merkle Tree, you simply have to scroll down and go to Go Verify. Click on that. You will see the Merkle Tree being displayed. Now, as you can see here, the root node is at the very top of the Merkle Tree, and below are the leaf nodes. Now, if the root hash of the Merkle Tree matches that of the root hash that Bitget has announced for the current month, it means that your assets are secure in the Merkle Tree and it cannot be tampered with. Of course, if you want to be extra cautious, you can go and manually check. All you gotta do is go back and you go download the data. And that is data from your own account. From there, all you have to do is go back to the Merkle Tree article that I mentioned. You gotta scroll down. This of course explains everything in detail, but for this tutorial, let's keep it simple. Now, if you go down, you'll see the verification steps, the first few that I just demonstrated. If you go down to step number 4, you will see a download the open source verification tool, the proof of reserves. We open that, you will go to Bitget's GitHub. And of course, I'm using a Mac, so I download the Mac file. Now you will see I have 2 files downloaded. One is the Merkle Tree data, which is the first file that I got, and then the proof of reserves. This is the file from GitHub. Now, we want to have your data into this file. So you want to drag it in, and it will ask you if you want to keep the original or replace. Click on Replace, and then now you have 1 file. Now to proceed, we go back to the article where it shows you everything, and you will see on number 6, you open terminal program on the Mac. And so the terminal looks like this. Now, of course, you need to have JavaScript downloaded and installed in order for you to run this program. But all you have to do is go back here, and you will see on the 7th step, you just simply highlight this part here, CD, all the way to reserves. And we click copy, and now we go back to terminal and we just click paste. So I just pasted that, and then we click tab on your keyboard and then enter. And then from there we go back to here where you see SH, you highlight that, click copy, and again we go back here, we paste it, and then we click tab again and then enter, and you will see here your Merkle Tree details coming out. Now all we have to do is go back to our audit page, go back to Go Verify, and you will see that the file, this code right here, 6B all the way to 41, is consistent with our Merkle Tree hash. And you will see here 6B all the way to 41. So these 2 are consistent. And there you go. That's how you know that your assets have been verified on the Merkle Tree and cannot be tampered with. You've just successfully verified your assets on the Merkle Tree. please help us grow by hitting that like and subscribe button. If you're a new user, earn a bonus of up to 5,005 USDT when you download the Bitget app. And if you'd like to keep up with all things Bitget, check out and follow our socials listed in the description box down below. Stay tuned for more Bitget tips like these, and we'll see you again very soon.